Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily add a location link to your Canva invitation card. Let's get started. First, open your invitation card that you've made with Canva. I'm going to type in here location link here, and I'm going to put the link on the word here. Next, let's move on to your Google Maps tab and look for the place that you want to link to your card. Click on the share button right here. Then click on copy link right here. Then let's go back to our Canva invitation card and let's highlight the word here and click on this link icon right here. Then on the box, just copy paste the link you copied earlier from Google Maps. Then click done. And that is how you can easily add a location link to your Canva invitation card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.